Alright, so next up on our list of figures for the Transformers Prime, how are they holding up, is the Ratchet. So, I don't know what this is. And what I mean by that is, I don't know if this is the ARMS Micron version, because it's got a lot of sticker decals, or if it's the standard version and he has applied Reaper labels. I don't know. So, Chris, if you're watching this, please post in the comments below which version, or what is it, ARMS Microns or stickers. But yeah, let's take a look at him. Head, it's on a ball peg, left and right, a little up, a little down. It's kind of, it's spring loaded, so, you know. Shoulders rotate around, out to the side, thighs, bicep swivel, double bend elbow. These are just rubber, you know, they're really soft plastic, but they just plug into the hands. He can hold them just like knives if you want him to, or like I have him, you can have them like that, which is more cartoon accurate. They have a tendency of being warped, so just be mindful of that. Waist swivel, hips up to there, back to there, out to the side, thigh swivel, double bend knee, and the foot has a little bit of a tilt to it, but no rocker. Alright. Other than that, I think he's pretty good. We're at the 2-minute mark and the video's done pretty much. So I'm going to do what I did with the Cliff Jumper, but I'm going to go a little bit further. So let's see, Transformers Prime, Ratchet. Let's see, what is his price? Looks like he's about a $50 range. So that's not too bad. But while I'm here, so the first edition Optimus is about $140. Here he is for size comparison. Oh, we got him there. We already know he's $230. Let's see here. What about RC? First edition RC. Well, we got some auctions at $20. Which is weird. So we got one first edition RC at $20 and one at $60, and the $61 one has a bid. The $20 one does not. Sealed about $100. Buy it now, loose, about $60. So about $60 for her, which is way too much. Wheeljack on card. You're looking about $65. Like I said, I'm just trying to kill some time here. Make it worth your while. And then the Viacon. $25-$30 loose. About. So, and then the last figure that we're going to look at tomorrow. Let's see here. Nope, that's not. Bulkhead. Okay. I'm not seeing them. Regular bulkhead is about $125. $230. So him and Cliff Jumper are demanding the same price. And that's him right there. We'll look at him tomorrow, though. So yeah, the Wheeljack. I mean, or not the Wheeljack. The Ratchet is a great figure. I really like him. He's definitely one of the better ones of the group. And he still holds up really well. I would say probably a 9 out of 10 for him. I mean, he hits all the right marks for Ratchet. He looks the part. He's just an all-around good figure. Yeah. Yeah, I think he's pretty good. So yeah, I guess that's all I get.